Hi everybody, happy Sunday. So I am showing you guys the Bio-Cellulose mask because this week we talked about skin cycling, which is the systematic cycling of your active ingredient products. And on day 3, we have a Restore and Nourish day. And this is another product you can use for that day. And I didn't show you guys when we were doing that on Wednesday. I used the moisture renewing gel mask, but the lifting Bio-Cellulose mask, which I'm showing you now, is another really good option. And it's a really great product and a good option. You use this mask, so it's part of the Time-Wise Repair line, which is the super anti-aging line. So if you use this twice a week, you'll notice like lifted, firmer, younger looking skin. And it's like super hydrating. So I think just in 24 hours, you'll notice like supreme hydration. So I decided to use it to show you guys and to also just go into my Sunday night with a little more kind of relaxation. I don't know, when I have like nice, cool, hydrating things on, it feels very relaxing to me. So I had it on, I thought I'd show you guys. So it's pretty cool, it's pretty comfortable, it's easy, it stays on. You just have to leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'll probably leave it on until it kind of dries. But we also have just the regular sheet masks, which are really good for super hydration, but this just has like a kick of anti-aging. So let me know if you have any questions and comment if you want to know how you can buy one, get one free. Hint, hint. Comment, because it's a good one. Because they're a little bit pricier, but I think they're really worth it, especially with a buy one, get one free situation. So let me know if you have questions, if you're interested, if you want to learn more about it. I'll talk about it as much as you want. I'll send you all the info on it. It's a really fun mask. And what's cool is it comes, there's a special interwoven locking fiber with like coconut water that's infused with like all these really hydrating botanical anti-aging things. And it's like the way that the mask is made that kind of helps it really like penetrate your skin. But this is like really jelly, right? So there's like a front and a back to it that you kind of peel off, and that has all the goopy goodness, and you can kind of rub it on your neck and your décolletage area. So it has a really nice benefit. So it's a great product. So again, reach out if you have any questions. And until then, just enjoy this really awkward video of me trying to talk with it on. And I know it looks silly. All right, have a great Sunday. Bye.